seen the menu items. Um, Modules again are I would say, the blocks on top, left, right, and there's a neat little trick to see what is possible in your template, because you might know that Joomla is a template-based content management system, and sometimes it's not entirely clear where modules can be put. And for instance, to show you, I see breadcrumbs and the position is breadcrumb, and I see banners and the position is footer, and I see main menu and the position is left. Of course, left will be obvious. Uh, I see right, but I also see syndicate, and I have no clue where those belong. So a little trick for that, to see where your modules can be put at, is to use your site name, then front slash, and then index.php, question mark, TP is 1. And then you'll see all kinds of, little tags with the module name there. So here we, for instance, can see that this module is called top. This horizontal menu is called user 3. The breadcrumb module is situated here. The left is situated here, and should you want to have a second one at the left, you see that it will stack the modules. The right one is here. This is user 1, this is user 2. And at the bottom we have a few others. We have a footer here, and again footers also stack, so we have a footer there. Oh, and here we have the syndicate. Again, this is different for each different template that you might have in Joomla. We'll come to templates at a later stage, but to show you in advance, we go to extensions, template manager. Joomla comes with a few templates built in. I will set it on bees and make that the default template. And if I now refresh my page, within 2 seconds I have a completely different website. And Joomla templates, they come in many shapes and forms, but you can also see that I'm missing out on the user 1, 2, and 3. It looks like because user 1, 2 are also on the right position on top of the real right position. So again, this is those module positions are on a per template basis. I will set it back to my default Milky Way template. So for instance, what we can do with that is, you know what, my main menu, I don't want to have it on the left side. I want to have it on the right side. And I click on apply. I go to my website, and as you can see, it's not on the left side anymore, it is on the right side. It does have a different layout, and that is also part of the template. Sometimes layouts are restricted to a certain position, in this case the left, and when I put my main menu on the right side, it gets a different layout with that. So some layouts and graphic looks are based on the position they are at. I have some latest news and popular. You know what? I don't want latest news there. I want that where I had my main menu. So I save that. I look for latest news on the left side. Probably at the next page. Yeah, there it is. Latest news is now on position user 1, and I can simply change the position and make that to the left, and I save it. I go to my home page, and there is my latest news. But what I don't like is that it's on top. I want it to be in the middle of resources and key concepts. So I go to this, go to my previous, and to make it a bit of a clearer overview, I can filter it by selecting the position. So I know that I have left, and here I can see that, hey, I have only modules that are positioned at the left side. What I can do is I can use the arrows, but I can also use numbering it myself. So what I'll do is I'll put this on 2 and that on 1, and I use this tiny save order, and as you can see, it has now changed the order. And when I refresh my page, it is now fitted in between those two. So you can arrange the module positions, and you can set any module that is in position A, you can set it to become part of position B. So modules are very versatile. The default Joomla installation comes with a lot of pre-installed modules. Again, on the Joomla extension page, there's many modules available. So browse it, find the things you want, and use under extensions, install, uninstall, and you're good to go. Then